Okay, it's officially the middle of August, and this is my garden update video. I'm starting with the corn. As you can kind of see, the corn jungle is jungling. I have two different kinds of corn here. This one's already harvested, and the tall ones are just coming through. So hopefully I'm able to harvest from those before the season ends. I tried growing corn in grow bags this year. Do I recommend growing corn in grow bags? I don't know. I feel like the yield, it works, but the yield is not as great. But yeah, if you only have grow bags, definitely. My lemon drop watermelon, I only have one watermelon. And then I have my sweet glow watermelon here, which I have 4 on. And then this is my vegetable patch. I have shoko, which I've been harvesting to cook with. I have some volunteer tete from last year, and they're going to seed. So I'm just going to collect the seed. I have some ewedu here, and then I have carrots as well. Loads of my carrots bolted this year. So I'm ordering a bunch of new seeds. The ground is very dry. So this is a carrot that would definitely be woody in the center because it bolted. But if it didn't bolt, this is how long a good carrot it would be. Yeah, that's what I have here on this patch. Next, I'm going to take you guys to my forever bearing strawberries. This is my daughter's favorite part of the garden. She's constantly picking and eating strawberries. But we start having strawberries at the beginning of the season, and they will continue to produce until the end of season. They will die and then just come back themselves next year. So that's strawberries. Here I have my sweet potato experiment. I do not think I'm going to get any sweet potatoes, but the leaves are edible. So that's something. I have my golden beets here. Trying that out for the first time this year. I like it. It's similar to regular beets. And then I have some thyme here. I have chives. I have scent leaf, and then I have regular basil. And that regular basil is there to attract pollinators, really. We just grew it to attract pollinators, not really to use. And then I have 2 kinds of melon, the sugar baby and kajari, I believe. And something, actually 3 kinds of melon on here is what I have. And something that I grew for the first time this year, onions. And my onions actually did really, really well, surprisingly enough. So you can kind of see I have some that are about this size, a small one over there, and then like some that are about that size. Do I think I'm going to grow onions again? I don't know. But I've really enjoyed growing them and seeing how they grow. And then I have tomatoes. I have a cherry kind right here. And I just love like just picking it up. So this one is like this, and it's a sweet type of tomato. It's super tasty. I like it. I have a yellow variety over there, like the big tomatoes. And then I have this 3, which I started from inside, from the same batch of seeds. But that one looked a little bit different from this one's. Some water leaf in the middle here. Some scent leaf in the middle over there. I have eggplant right here. I have this pepper, which is insane in terms of like how it's kind of like spread out. It has a lot of like ripe fruit. And then I have this one right here, which is super useless. I have 0 fruit on it, just like thousands of blooms on both this one and that one. And then I have jalapeno over there, which I grew specifically for pickling. And then more melons. And that is my garden this year. Oh, I had a cucumber plant, but it got infected with, is it powdery mildew? I think that's what it's called. Got infected with powdery mildew, and I had to pull it out.